Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the Unbounded Beauty Designer Series paper that will be available May 1st for customers, along with the Unbounded Love stamp set and the Flowers of Beauty dies. Okay, these are not a bundle, but they are in the same suite of products, okay? All of this. So before we start our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with the May Paper Pumpkin Kit, the best there is, that makes 9 cards. A Misty Moonlight is the stamping spot. Coordinates with the Country Woods Designer Series paper that will be in the new annual catalog in May. If you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can purchase the Thanks and Beyond dies add-on for $12. The item number is 164397. These 4 dies do coordinate with April, May, and June's Paper Pumpkin Kit. There's a link in the description box below for you to become a Paper Pumpkin subscriber if you are not already one. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new, used, and retired products. Well, they're all retired, but there's some new, some are used, okay? $30 for each box. Shipping is included. Only can mail and sell in the USA. Stampwithshawna@gmail.com is where you need to email me if you're interested. Lastly, we have our host code for the month. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, all right? That is all of our buzzworthy business, so we can get started. So we're going to be using the Kendra's Card Challenge number 14. We're going to be doing sketch number 14. I had a mishap. I was doing sketch number 15 and my phone for some reason stopped recording. So let me show you. This is card number 15. Isn't that cute? Using all the same products. Okay, but I used the Autumn Leaves stamp set and dies. All right, so let me go ahead and get started with the project for today. So we have a base here of basic white, thick, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to burnish down that score line with our bone folder. I've gone ahead and completed the inside of our card with a piece of Azure Afternoon. That is 5 by 3 3/4. Matted it with some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And added strips of Petunia Pop and the 24 to 2026 in color glimmer specialty paper and the peach pie. Okay, so that is our inside. And then we have a piece here of Pretty Petunia, and this is going to get layered onto our card base. I'm trying to make sure I don't need to add anything on this before I layer. But we're going to just put that on like that. Okay. Then I have another piece of Azure Afternoon here. And this one is going to get put down on the side here, leaving the even border from on these 3 sides. Oh, I shouldn't have put that down. I did it again. So we need to stamp on this piece. So let me go ahead. I have some Night of Navy, and we're going to stamp Just for You from our stamp set. And again, the products I'm using today, the in colors, the stamp set, the dies, the glimmer paper, they'll be available May 1st when the new catalog comes out. Oh, that didn't really... This is why you should stamp before you put things down. That did pretty good placement when I restamped it, though. That's the beauty of the photopolymer stamp sets. Okay, so now I can continue. So I have a piece of Designer Series paper here that I've cut a banner into the end. I don't know if you guys have ever seen Kendra's card sketches, her challenges. But you start with 6 6x6 Designer Series paper pieces, and you just cut them all up based on her the little guide she gives you. So each piece is a letter, so A through F, and then you cut each piece up, and she'll tell you like this piece from page A goes to card 14 or 15 or wherever it goes. Okay, so we have that done. I'm going to do some die cutting before we get too far. So let me get the Baby Boss, the mini Stampin' and Cutting and Emboss machine. And our plates here, we're going to die cut using the a leaf die cut from the Unbounded Love dies. No, from the Flowers of Beauty dies. And we have a piece of the 2426 glimmer paper. This is the Shy Shamrock, and I've gone ahead and put an adhesive sheet on the back to make our die piece a sticker. So let's just run this through. Okay, so that is our die. Let's go ahead and take it out. You know what? I don't need, it didn't cut through the paper, but it's cut through the glimmer. So what I'm going to do is leave it on here until I need it. And actually I need it. So this is another piece. I use the deckled circle dies. I guess I forgot to show you those. Let me see if I can grab them. These are the deckled circles. I think I use number 7 to die cut. Yep, it's right there. Number 7 to die cut that. And we're going to add this to it. So let me peel the backing off of this glimmer paper here, since it is a sticker. Let's see. I like using the sticker with intricate dies, not the sticker, but the adhesive sheets, because it helps keep those little pieces. They usually stay stuck to the sheet, so you don't have to poke too many pieces out. I'm trying to get this one little piece out right there. Okay, so we're gonna set this on here about like that. Okay, so now we have another piece that is from the card sketch, and I'm trying to see which way my paper goes. It goes this way. So I have these other pieces as well. So we're gonna glue these pieces in first. So I cut this out with the number 6 deckled circle, and we are going to put some glue right here in this corner of the circle, that little bit, just so I can get this where I want it to be. Oh, that's the wrong way. I want it like that. Okay, and then with this one, we're gonna put it down in this corner. And I want that to be about right there. Just a little bit. Uh-oh. This one moved on me. Just a little bit showing on this one. Okay, and then we're gonna take this whole thing. I guess I should have really put the glue on here. And I'm hoping that it glues to this, what is this called? Glimmer paper. Because I might have, excuse my mess, I just realized I'm gonna have sticky everywhere, so I need my silicone craft sheet. Nope, turn. Okay. I wasn't quite sure where to put the glue. I should have put some behind that. Ooh, it's sticking to my mat. Let's get my, take your pick tool to lift that up. Okay, now we're gonna take, oh, nope. I have a piece of leaf poking out. So let's trim that off. Then we're gonna take this whole thing and stick it to our card base. Ooh, this is tricky. It's because I didn't glue it down properly. So let's move this to the side, and we're going to stick this on here like that. Okay. And that is everything on the card. Now we're going to embellish. So let me get my embellishments. We have the 24 to 26 in color resin dots. And I am going to use the peach pie. We're going to put a few on here. Let me see. Put one there. Ooh. Maybe one up here, like that. Okay. That is this card done. Yep. It could have been a shaker, but I didn't have the right shaker bits. So that is our card. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.